What would happen if the entire world's internet simply vanished for months? It already happened once, but before computers even existed. In 1859, a massive solar storm known as the Carrington Event slammed into Earth. The northern lights were so bright that miners in Colorado started cooking breakfast, thinking it was dawn. But there was a problem. The telegraph system went haywire. Machines spat out sparks, shocked their operators, and kept sending messages, even after being unplugged from their batteries. If this happened today, satellites and the global power grid would fry in seconds. We are just one solar sneeze away from a digital dark age.